all the tinsel talk and the ho-ho-hum of the holidays, I think it's important to remember a lovely Jewish man named Jesus Christ. And, well, if you think about it, he's the ultimate man that got away, really. The night is bitter, that star has lost its glitter. The wise men wander to Bethlehem out yonder. All because of the man who spoke the word, for he was need. He said, I wish you hadn't nailed my hands and feet. King Herod tried to have him killed. It didn't work because he got away. Know what happened? It's all a crazy bang, bang, bang with the hammer, in with the nails, out with the Savior. Never a Christmas will be the same. Good riddance. Judy, the stinks, don't you think? Have a drink. He turned water to wine. But fools will be fools. And when he goes to the road gets rougher, gets lonelier and tougher. With hope you're humming, just waiting for the second coming. With scum you're slumming the livelong night and day. Ever since this world began, there's nothing sad. Oh, one Messiah, my Maggie evening gown and high-heel shoes, and my hair held high upon my head, looking for the man with his light brown loincloth and his crown of thorns. He was quite the holiest of men that God